on my way out. And I know she's coming here. Please, please tell her I'm not around. Please.
Oh.
Hola, Ma. You're welcome, eh?
Thank you.
Wouldn't you ask me to sit? Here. You're not a stranger to this household. I can only tell that to a stranger.
You're welcome.
Is Ini Edo around? No. He went hunting. Be on my way. When he comes back, tell him that I came around. Are you leaving? So if Ini Edo is not around, you won't stay with me, eh?
Yeah.
No, it's not like that. My mother sent me on an errand. I just decided to come and see him before going. When I get up. Okay. So what are they wrong?
I'll be living on Netflix.
In fact, I love them. They are very beautiful. And the color too. Please, you make exactly this one for me.
No, I will not make this type for you. I've already started making one for you and it's more beautiful.
Ini Edo, come out. She's
Chika.
Ini Edo, she's gone. Ini Edo, lately you've been avoiding Olama. Tell me, what is it?
Chika, you will not understand.
Ini Edo, make me understand. Tell me.
Ask him.
What is the problem? Ini Edo, Amy, what have I done wrong to you? Where have I gone wrong? Just tell me and I will apologize, please.
Ola, the things you do these days are beyond what normal friends should do. And I'm not interested in all of them.
I see. It's because of the princess. Immediately the princess came into your life, everything changed.
Ifna has nothing to do with this.
Hey!
Ini Edo, do not defend her. Cast your mind back to when she was not here. Everything was just fine. Everything was fine, Ini Edo.
Ola, I do not love you. It's Ifna that I love. And nothing will change that. Nothing.
What is it? He has injured. just stop this? This is unusual.
I'm telling you the truth. It's not right.
If you are sure of what you're saying, let's go to his house. Are you sure he is not all right?
Certainly.
If we go there and what you are saying now is not true, what happens?
Let's go.
Mama, Dori, Mama, Mama.
We are both leaving the house. What if Father wakes up? Who will attend to him? I know he didn't eat anything before sleeping, and he needs to eat and take the herbs immediately he wakes up. Who will do all that for him?
Ifunaya, do not tell me you're beginning to doubt your connection with Emenike. We are going to Emenike's house, and we will not take long.
What if he wakes up?
You will not wake up. And I must eat your meal today. So let's go. What did you tell Chifa?
I'm sure he knew I'll be here. True or false, Chika? It's true.
She told me you were injured. But I never believed her. And here, both of you are so connected. I have never seen or heard of such.
Chika, stop. Let me do it myself.
Aye.
Oh.
I'm sorry. How dare you lay your filthy hands on me? And you! You cannot take care of your child. I'm sorry. Look at what your stupid and miserable attitude has caused.
I'm sorry, my princess, I'm sorry.
My princess.
Stupid people all around me.
Adana, you're a woman. Women are known for their tenderness and care.
I see. So your stupid guy told you all that happened. Did he also tell you that I slapped the living daylight out of his eyes?
Adana, my sister. Adana, someday you get married. And no suitor will come knocking on the door of a heartless woman.
Uchenna, let me worry about that.
Adana, why can't you just emulate mother's legacy? The sooner you do this, the better for you.
If you were this intelligent, you would have been supporting father in his quest to conquer the 14 kingdoms around us.
Adana, you're my younger sister. I want the best for you. All I'm saying is just change your ways. Adana! Why can't you just emulate mother's legacy? Father has imbibed hatred, bitterness and wickedness in her heart. Father is leading her astray.
Did you tell the person that slapped you that you are my brother?
Yes, uncle.
You did?
Yes.
You did? Come and show me that idiot! Eh? I'm going to deal with him or her now. Come and show me the person. I don't for one. Who?
That is her.
Who? You mean Chika?
Yes, uncle.
You mean she's the one that beat you?
Yes.
She's the one that slapped you?
Yes.
What can they do?
Which you go see Chika first? Which you go see Chika? What did you do to her? I'm not seeing you, my friend. You did something wrong. That's why she slapped you. Chika, you got an uncle. You know he's still a small boy. Eh? Please, I beg you. Oh, my friend, come. Let's go. You got an uncle.
Hey, come here. Did you not see me? Didn't you see me? Or is Odumodu too small that you cannot greet?
See, let me tell you. I have nothing to say to a man who intimidated our people until the gods came to save us. So I'm not afraid of you anymore. Yes.
Odumodu efu ago kwanya. Odumodu. Odumodu. If I were you, I will not lay a finger on this girl. Listen, you better let her go. It is a pity that the terror in our land has suddenly become a vegetable. It is a pity.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, you're insulting Odumodu and you know what that means. You know what that implies.
Hey. That was then. But this is now.
No. Yes. Meaning?
Meaning that you are yet to challenge Emenike for a rematch. And since you are unable to do that, you can never come to our kingdom. Do I make myself clear?
Oh no, you're daring me. Oh no,
Listen to me. If you dare lay your hands or fingers on me, my people will kill you. And your kingdom will have nothing to say about it, knowing that already you have been bound from our kingdom. Odumodu, where lies your power? Eh? Where lies your power? You can go. It is only on women you exercise your energy. Rubbish.
No, this is not happening. There is no way that rat will reduce I, Odumodu, to nothing. I will challenge and defeat him, and he will have no choice than to kill himself, just like Ichele. I am Odumodu. No man dares me and go scot-free. Sure of what you're just telling me?
Yes.
Onwe Katolaka. Onwe Katolaka. Emenike, son of Akum, the news of your exploits is everywhere. But I've come to regain my lost glory. Emenike, I want a rematch with you here and now.
Odumodu, as you can see, I am injured. I cannot wrestle you now.
Obelefa. Emenike. Obelefa. Don't tell me you're not ready to wrestle me because of this small scratch. Emenike. Confess to your sister. Tell her you were lucky the other day at the palace. And then you must concede defeat by handing over to me your neck bead and your mantle. Then I will let you go.
Odumodu. You mean I should give you my beads and my mantle? Odumodu, over my dead body. It will never happen. Wrestle me. Chika, what are you doing?
To get to you, he must defeat me.
Hey, Odumodu. Odumodu, if wako kwa nanya no wa, if waganya. If I just lazily pick you up and throw you to the ground, okay, they will say Odumodu has started again. I mean, what do I stand to gain? Your neck bead? Don't think I need it.
Then you can have his beads and mantle.
No. If I defeat you, you will have to spend 3 nights in my house. Don't stress my bones. Cause I am Odumodu. Dikeh.
Warriors are known to be men of little words. They do more. Odumodu, wrestle me.
Dikeh, I can see you are ready to bury your sister. I am Odumodu. Dikeh. Odumodu, Dikeh.
Hey! Odumodu! Eda! Oko wine. Odumodu ada.
Hey! Hey! Adam wine. Wale ya? Hey!
EJ, why are you crying?
Come here. I said come here. Come here. I don't understand your story. Your falling is not my concern. My concern is the pot you broke. The other time, you broke my own calabash and you gave excuses. And today another pot. Why are you this? I can't stand lazy people. I can't stand lazy people. You're too this. You're too this. You're too this for my life. I can't stand it.
What kind of a human being is Adana?
A brave, intelligent, and a strong princess who detests lazy people.
Adana, what has come over you? Why you...
Need I remind you of what father told you the other time?
Adana, are you out of your senses?
I should be asking you that question.
Nonsense!
Because you slapped me!
Kid, heartless girl!
Father must hear me!
You go to your chambers.
Thank you, my prince.
Heartless, wicked girl.
Uchenna, what do I do with you? You slapped my daughter in the presence of the millions. You slapped my daughter. Oh, shut up and don't come say it. How I wish Adana is the man. Because you are nothing but a woman. You are a total disgrace.
Father,
get out of my presence. You heard me when I said get out of my presence now. Get out before I lose my temper.
Ifunanya.
Oh, hola.
You're welcome.
Who is Ifunanya?
Ifunanya is a friend of mine.
A friend of yours that I do not know. Who is she?
Ifunanya is the king's daughter.
You mean the princess?
Oh yes.
It's okay. Is a chick at home?
No, she went out. How are you?
I'm not fine.
You're not fine. Why? That reminds me. You came to the house the other day and you left without my knowledge.
Did you bother to know what made me leave?
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
You're still angry, eh?
No, I'm not. And to prove to you that I'm no longer angry, I'm going to go home and prepare your favorite meal. Hope you come and eat it.
Yes, I will come. Once I'm done with what I'm doing at home.
So excited. What is it? This thing around you?
Mama, Emenike and I just reconciled our differences. He will soon be here to eat the special meal I'm going to prepare for him.
You and this your friend, Kwa?
Mother, Emenike is not just my friend. He's going to marry me.
But I cannot remember when you told me that he has asked you to marry him.
Mama, you see, he has not really asked me to marry him. But it's all over him. I can see it and I can also smell it.
My dear, when a man has not opened his mouth to make his intentions known to you, you don't put your mind on him.
Mother.
Do you hear me? I have seen men propose, and I have also seen them deny their proposals. Not until your dowry is paid. A woman should apply some caution, because
Mother, if it's about that one, Emenike, Emim will never disappoint me. Don't worry yourself.
Are you sure?
Mama, I'm sure. He will not. And you know what? Let me quickly prepare the meal before he comes.
I'm coming.
Is taking much time. What is keeping him?
This is true love. Love.
Emenike. Amen.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I came back and took my bath and decided to rest my head. I slept off. I'm so sorry.
It's okay, Amy. I know you must be very tired, so I brought the food instead.
Okay. Darling, make it one.
Olamma is our family friend. Chika! Chika!
Chika!
Princess is here.
Chika!
Kedu? My princess, you're here. Welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey, Olamma. You're here.
Yes, it's not been long I came. I brought food for your brother. I made it specially for him.
May the gods of our land bless you. You're such a good friend.
Yeah, she's good.
I'm hungry. I hope you will eat. Please get me water to wash my hands.
That's nice of you. Nkem. She's such a nice person.
Yeah, she's a nice person.
Olamma, you're not eating. Hope all is well.
Yes. You're such a good cook. Your husband will enjoy you.
Thank you.
The food is sweet.
I will never be intimidated. For the fact that she's the princess of this kingdom, she will never take my man away from me. Never!
I decided last night to send a mystery to King of Amago, and there is no going back on that decision.
Your Majesty, but the gods...
The God says I should not fear. Look at me.
Your Majesty, there's nothing the gods cannot do.
Then, let them give me back my health.
That is all. That is all, Yama. That is it.
What if something happens to me? Eh? What will be the fate of this kingdom? Eh? And you and I know that Obinna, my son, is too young to rule. And don't forget that this kingdom around us, they are waiting for an opportunity to invade our land.
Your Majesty.
Okoro, I am the king, and I have spoken.
Igwe.
Funaya, these beads are very beautiful.
I know. I specifically and personally made them so I can wear this bead whenever I'm going to see my Emenike.
You and this Emenike. Please, make mine for me.
I will.
Thank you. What is it?
Emenike is around.
Yeah. Oh. Keep quiet. What is your problem? I'm sure your imagination is just deceiving you. That's just the truth.
Greetings, my princess. Princess Ifunanya, Emenike is here to see you.
I told you. Why are you here at this time of the night? You're here to see me at this time of the night?
Yes, I could not sleep. I needed to see you. All I need from you now is a hug so I can sleep peacefully.
Is that why you're here with your injured leg?
Yes.
Just a hug.
Just a hug so I can sleep well. Now I can sleep well.
I love you.
I love you too. At least I can sleep well now.
You have to stop me.
It's okay.
Take care of yourself.
Thank you. Good night.
I love you. Love you too.
I was on my way to your house. I saw you leaving the house. And I followed you.
Followed me to the palace?
Yes.
Why? What can you say? Are you not afraid of the night?
Emenike, that's because I love you. I mean, I love you so much.
Ola, stop, please, stop. It's late, okay? Now, let me take you home. Ola.
Ola, open this door. Ola, open the door, please.
I won't open it. Just go. Leave my house. Go.
No, I will not go until you open this door.
Please.
Ola, please, open the door. Biko, na yoga, Biko.
I won't open it to you. Tell me that you love me. Just say it. Tell me that you love me. Please. Just leave my house. Go. Just get out.
What if she does something stupid? No. Let me stay back.
Emenike. I hope all is well. Where is Olama?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Olama is inside sleeping.
You slept here?
I slept here. I did not want Olama to do anything stupid.
What happened?
You know, Olama and I, we've been friends for a long time now.
Yes, my son.
Lately, she started seeing beyond our friendship. You know where I'm going to. And that did not go well with me. And she refused. She refused to understand.
Emenike, my son, you are a good man. The gods of our land be with you. Go home. I will talk to Olama.
Okay.
Just go home.
I'm going to wardrobe. I'm done now.
Okay.
Adanne, ụtụtụ ọma.
Ụtụtụ ọma Emenike.
Kekime.
You did not go hunting. What happened?
I did not even sleep here. I slept in front of Olama's house.
Olama's house? Why?
Nemo, I went to the palace to see the princess. As I was coming back,
open this door. Ola, open the door, please.
I won't open it. Just go. Leave my house. Go.
No, I will not go until you open this door.
Please.
Ola, please, open the door. Biko, na yoga, Biko.
I won't open it to you. Tell me that you love me. Just say it. Tell me that you love me. Please.
Hey, I pity her. She was hoping you both will end up as husband and wife. May the gods give her the strength to face what she cannot change. Because from what I am seeing in your eyes, it's different from what she's thinking.
And may the gods help her.
Just leave me
I saw you sneaked out of the palace. Who is he?
I did not sneak out from the palace. I took permission from Prince Uche.
Save yourself the story. I said, who is he?
And Princess, his name is Onoma. Few market days ago, came with his people and asked for my hand in marriage. And I accepted.
Greetings, my princess.
Chinasa, did you finish your chores in the palace?
I was in the middle of it when he came.
Middle of it? Middle of it? Are you mad? Will you take it easy?
I'm sorry, my princess.
My princess.
You cannot do two things at once. That is why I am relieving you of your duty. Just go. Go and get married to your... What is that his name? I don't care. Just go. Do not butt me.
I'm sorry.
As you can see, I already have your replacement, so leave. I said get out. Leave.
Please, I'm sorry.
Adana, as you can see, the maiden is on her knees pleading. Please forgive her.
If she likes, let her lie on her back and shed tears. I don't care. What I know is that her service is no longer needed in this palace, so leave.
What has come over you, Adana? What has come over you? Why is thy heart as solid like a rock? Look, I am your elder brother and the heir to the throne of Amagu Kingdom. The maiden stays. Come here.
You lie. Uchenna, don't look for my trouble in this palace. Uchenna! Uchenna!
Uchenna,
Father.
After the demise of your mother, Adana took charge of everything in this palace, including the shores. So the maid leaves. Yes. Oh, shut up and listen to me. You should be more concerned about getting close to me, asking me questions about the affairs of this kingdom. But you have misplaced the priority.
Permit me to ask, Father. Are you saying what Adana did to that maid is right? What offense has she committed? She fell in love with a man and decided to marry him. Is that an offense, Father?
This is my right, and this is my left. Under normal circumstances, you are supposed to be at my right hand side. But you know why you are standing at my left hand? It is simply because you are inefficient, which is what you are displaying even right now. Adana.
Yes, Father.
Go and get me something to eat. I am hungry.
Okay, Father.
And what are you still doing here? Oh, get out! I wonder when you will be useful to yourself. Talk more of the kingdom.
Despite your warning that we have nothing to do with the people of Amago, the king sent Ichieze and Okoro to see the king.
To see reason as reason is to reason reasonably, and because we have failed to do that, things are falling apart. All I see is a helpless king that is beginning to doubt the strength of the gods. You are aware of this? Yes. All I am doing is what the gods ask me to do. Go home, Chenwankwo. Go! Go home, Chenwankwo. For the gods knows best.
Ometalibulu.
Tina! Don't you have respect for your elders? So you don't have respect. I was calling you. Okay, I'll talk now. Okay.
Okoye, I'm sorry.
What do you mean you are sorry?
I didn't mean to fall you.
You didn't mean to fall me. You are sorry. Eh?
I said I'm sorry.
Oto nke mbụ tụọ gị nke abụọ. Ịkpachara anya ọ ga-atụ gị nke ịtọ and m ga-ala ike ya.
Nothing. You can go now.
But my princess,
I wish to be left alone. Go. Yes.
Are you saying that Icheze and Okoro are not back yet?
Yes. But I hope they will come back today.
The herbs. Have you taken the herbs I sent to you?
Yes. But nothing seems to be working. That's why I'm waiting for them to come back with the good news.
Sorry. Okay.
Love more, odala mam, mweze o, ibodi no bi mo. Bara me gumarama, babara me gumarama, bara me gumarama, makito bugomo. Boli, Mina Yolumegu, Baramegu Marama, Babaramegu Marama, Baramegu Marama, Ibodi no Bimo. Egunji Hoginanya, Egunji Homunanya.
Oh no, I'm joking. Oh no. Did I offend you people?
Oh, not at all.
Not at all.
We just finished a meeting with Igwe.
We have been waiting since morning.
Yes.
We have to have our rest.
It's true. They will.
Father, the food is ready. Should I serve it here?
I want to be left alone.
Father, you have to eat something. You've not eaten since afternoon.
I am not hungry. I want to be left alone.
Obina, come and eat. Father, you sent for us.
Yes.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Welcome, my son. Sit down.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Leave us. I summoned the two of you because what I want to say concerns us as a king. Concern. My interest is protection of the throne and the kingdom at large. What I want to say may not be pleasing to the ear, but I've thought about it, slept over it, consulted the elders before I made my decision. Dikeh.
Your Majesty.
Your relationship with Philmond ends now.
Father!
I'm not done yet. If I will be marrying the Prince of Amaru in 3 market days from now. You may leave now. If I come back here,
No! I deserve to be happy. I deserve to be happy.
If there is anyone to get married to the prince, it should be me. I am the first child.
It is a painful decision I have to take. You may now retire to your chambers.
Watch father take such drastic decision that is against the law of this land. We deserve to be happy. This is not right at all. It's not right.
I did not even bother about what people will say of me.
I'm not alright.
Funaya.
Hey! Now don't say it again. Ha. I know you must be pulling my legs.
No, I am serious. How can I be joking with a thing like this?
Wait, I do not understand. Has the king forgotten that it's a taboo for the younger one to get married first?
That is my confusion. Chika, I am confused. I am confused.
I know something must be wrong somewhere. No.
The king has broken the news of Princess Ifunanya's marriage to the Prince of Amago, to Emenike, and has warned him to stay away from her.
The earlier the better.
I saw him on my way to your place, and he asked of my opinion. And I told him that the king's decision is final.
It is a pity. But the interest of the kingdom comes first. Have you been able to convince the chief priest and the chair Nwankwo to accept the king's decision on the matter?
If I am the king, I will banish the two of them. Do you know they refused me to say a single word about the matter to them? All they kept screaming was sacrilege, sacrilege, and gods of our land. They do not know that sometimes the gods allow us mortals to take decisions of our own. Let's go. They are minority.
Ignore them. Let's go.
What is it?
So you have not heard?
Heard what?
Naya will be getting married to the Prince of Amago few market days from today.
Isioma, what are you saying? If anybody should be getting married to the Prince of Amago, it should be Adeze, not Ifunanya. Achokwam. If you are here to mock me, I don't want to. Achokwam biko.
You see, Mok, I overheard Ishie, Kano, and Madu discussing about it.
Isioko?
Yes.
Hey, that means it's true.
But I don't know. All I know that the gods are on your side. That's all.
Nedalo, thank you very much for this information.
Come and see me later, Bye-bye.
To go again? Mother, the gods of our land are not asleep. Father Alaro and Chancha, hey, they heard my cry and they've wiped away my tears. Ifunanya will be getting married to the Prince of Amago in few market days from today.
Say, oh mommy, what you have just said is not possible, and that is what I told the ghost mother at the market square.
Mother, it is true. The person that told me heard it from the horse's mouth. Mother, and you know what that means? Hey! Very soon, Emenike will have no other choice than to come back to me. Hey! Mama.
Alam, Isi or the Kwagima, I have warned you. Emenike is not interested in marrying you. All he wants is friendship. So get that into your head before you destroy yourself.
But Mama...
I do not want to hear anything concerning this matter again. Whatever the king wants to do with his family is his concern. So stay away from Emenike and Ifunanya. Obunwoke na chonwa. Obunwoke na chonwoke. Sebapo.
I wonder why Onowu and the rest will support the king in taking such a drastic decision. I went to Onowu's place, and what he did was tell me to leave so long as I'm not in support of the king's decision.
Do not blame them. It is possible they have been bought over. Or they are afraid to look the king in the eye and tell him the truth.
What do we then do?
Truth is bitter. But we shall continue to tell them the truth, no matter the circumstances.
Father, speak. I am all ears.
Father, it is because of the respect I have for you that I consented to marry Princess Ufunaya in the presence of the elders of the kingdom. But I've come to speak my mind, Father.
You have said your mind already. But your decision does not count here. You must marry Princess Ifunanya.
But Father...
Oh, shut up and listen to me. Our kingdom stands to gain a lot from the people of Ngene Kingdom. And the price to pay is your marriage to Princess Ifunanya. Shut up! I am still talking. Listen to me. Whatever you feel does not count here. What counts is the interest of this kingdom.
But Father, it is not the decision of our people for me to get married to Princess Ifunanya. It is your decision, Father. You're asking me to displease myself and please you.
Enough of this madness, Uche. I am your father. I am the king of this kingdom. And my word is law. Leave my presence now. I said leave my presence. Leave.
Uchenna, what is it?
Why ask when you already know?
I will advise you listen to Father. You know he wants the best for you.
The best for me? It's the best for me marrying someone I'm not in love with.
Marriage is not all about love. It is what you gain and power.
What do you know about marriage? There's no difference between you and Father, you know.
That is why I am Adanna. Adanna.
Adanna. May the gods help whoever that will call himself your husband.
Let me worry about that.
Adama, I feel your pains. I know what you are going through, but I have no choice. The king of Amago insisted his son must marry Ifunanya. Reasons I do not know. If I refuse, there may be consequences. Look at me. Your brother Obin is still tender. If I die without consenting to the marriage, they may invade us. If they don't, others will. What will happen to you, Ifunanya and Obinna?
But the gods
created us to make use of our brains and take decisions. If they had wanted, they would have created us without brains. So keep the gods out of this and use your brain. You may go.
You are here.
I miss him. I want to see him.
But you know that is not possible. And I think it's high time we listened to Father.
You've taken sides with him.
Ifunanya, you know that is not true. But Father is sick and Obinna is still young. He is only thinking of what becomes of us when he dies. Ify, I have accepted my fate and I beg you to do same.
I want to see him.
Ifunanya, you know I cannot deceive you.
Ifra is missing me.
Where are you going?
To see if Naya. She's missing me. I can feel it.
I feel your pain. But please, do not go to the palace. The king will not like it. Please. And I do not want anything to happen to my only brother.
Emenike, the son of Iloji, the king's mind is made up.
Wise one, if Nanya is my wife, I know. I don't think I can.
Emenike,
can live without her. Yes. Yes, wise one, yes.
Then go home.
Go home. Wise one. The gentle strikes of a tiger is not a mark of cowardice. Now go now, come on, I'm broken on money for game. You mean I should go home and allow the king give my wife to another?
Emenike, the rats cannot kill the cat. Neither will a goat devour a lion. And a rabbit cannot defeat an elephant in a wrestling contest. Emenike, go home and wait. For the decision is final. Go. Go, my son. Go.
Is Emenike in?
Emenike is around, yes.
Please call him for me.
I'll be back. Emenike! See him. Maybe he went to ease himself. Tell me I'm not.
Eh. Okay, I'll wait for him.
So what do you? Can you call us? Emenike. Emenike.
Okay.
What is wrong with you?
Please, I need to be left alone. Please.
What is wrong with you?
I do not know. I will advise you go and come back later. Oh?
person who pay attention at all to our dreams is like someone who tries to chase a shadow or catch the wind. What you see in a dream is no more real than the reflection of your face in a mirror. You only see what you want to see.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Greetings, Your Majesty. Unless the gods sent you the dream. Your daughter's dream was sent by the gods. The regalia she was wearing and the golden sword in her hand is symbolic of our forefathers.
Chief priest, you and I know it is sacrilegious for a woman to adorn the regalia. How much more holding the golden sword, which is how much holding the sword which protects our kingdom.
Your Majesty, the ways of the gods are not the same with man. The gods sent me to tell you to revoke the marriage agreement between Ifunanya and the prince of Amago.
I will do no such until I see the sword with my eyes. For now, chief priest, leave my palace.
Igwe, you heard him. You may leave.
If not, I did. You may go to your chambers.
Chicken one name. What do I do? I no longer sleep at night at all. All I do is to think about my Ifunanya.
Take it easy, my brother. I think you're being too hard on yourself. I'm not saying you should take Ifunanya out of your mind completely. But I still advise you remember what the chief priest told you. This battle is beyond us. You have to take it easy.
Gods of our forefathers, please make my father to change his decision. Gods of my forefathers, please listen to my cry. Wipe my tears.
man who wants to run away from his shadow, from his God. Oh, your son, oh, no, sir. Oh, you take a jaga.
Spirit priest, possessed by the spirit of the ancestors. I should go back. Your marriage with the prince of Amago we hold. But whoever that will drink from the same cup with you on that day will be your husband.
I do not understand.
I just told you what the gods asked me to tell you. Go home. Let the gods be with you. Go. Go.
We've been searching for you everywhere.
I'm coming from the shrine.
I do not believe you. Where are you coming from?
Adeze, she's telling the truth.
Thank you, Chief Priest. Ifunanya, let us go home.
Ifunanya,
Father,
henceforth, you are forbidden from leaving this palace without my consent.
all right, Father.
I hope you did not go to Emenike's house.
No, Father, I didn't go to Emenike's house. I went to the shrine to ask the gods to give me peace of mind, and also to make me love the president.
That's my daughter. I know you love me and you have the interest of this kingdom. Obinna.
Father.
Your brother will forever remain grateful to you when he grows up and becomes the king. You don't know what you have done for this kingdom. Whoever is advising you against this marriage is an enemy of our kingdom. It does not have our interest at heart. And that will not happen. Be sure with you, my daughter.
Yes, sir.
Food is ready.
Chika, again, I'm not hungry.
That was the same thing you said in the afternoon.
Chika need to be left alone. Pico Hameka, Pico.
Emenike, you're getting me angry. And had it been you're not my brother, I would have challenged you to a wrestling contest.
Mobo mother?
Yes.
You do what?
I have defeated all your mates And even if I win you now, you attribute it to hunger.
Hey! You never cease to amaze me. You want to wrestle me?
Yes. Just the both of us here.
Meaning?
If I defeat you, you have nothing to lose.
Come on, fight me.
Cherugodi. That was the same excuse Okoye gave.
Wait. You defeated Okoye?
Yes.
Hey!
Chika, even on an empty stomach, I will squeeze you. I will rough handle you. Do not forget I am the one that taught you all you know. Do not forget. Hey, Omaka.
Nah, you must eat first. Eat! Bamba.
Okay, go and get my food. Chika, now that we finish eating, I want you to stand up and come and wrestle me. Let me squeeze you. Let me rough handle you and tell you that the master is always the master. you understand what I'm saying? Hi, Chika,
Far be it from me that I wrestle my own flesh and blood. I thank the gods that I succeeded in making you eat and taking your mind off from too much thinking.
Deba.
Tell me that you don't fight again. Tell me that you never wrestle again.
I'll never wrestle again.
I feel my back.
Biko,
Come here. I enjoy the food.
Thank you. I'm glad you're happy. Come here.
Adam, why?
Odogu, Ike, Odogu Wake, Odogu Wake, Odogu, Odogu.
Ichele. As if you know what I want to eat. Thank you for the yam. Ichele, you must wrestle with me now or accept defeat. Or hand over your yams to me as the tradition of your people demand.
Odumodu, you are not from this kingdom. Go back to your people and challenge them to restore it.
Ichele, I can see you are ready to wrestle with the gods.
Odumodu, laziness has turned into a monster. You left your kingdom, you go about collecting people's items, all in the name of wrestling. And that ends today.
You can see.
End now.
I can see you're ready. You're ready to wrestle with the gods.
Challenge me.
I am Odumodu. I am Odumodu.
You! I will get you. I'm coming back.
No, poor Allah.
As you can see, there is no man in your kingdom.
Your Majesty.
I defeated Ichele a few days ago in a wrestling contest. He saw me on my way to Nkulu Kingdom and demanded that we wrestle again. I accepted the challenge, but I told him that the only place I will wrestle him is here.
Ichele, is it true?
Your Majesty, I beg you to grant me the request to shut Odumodu's mouth for saying that there is no man in this kingdom forever.
Permission granted.
Tired of living. Show you. Challenge me.
Down again, down.
Do not brag, because you've not defeated me in any wrestling contest before. I can see you're tired of living.
Your Majesty. Greetings. Your Majesty, please allow me
to defeat this young man.
Permission granted.
leave this kingdom and never to come back again.
Yes.
One.
It's because I've wrestled before. We will meet again. We will meet again. Let's go. Let's go. Look.
It shall be well with you. Fight on. The gods are with you. Ike, son of Akum, you have proven you are bravery in many ways. Today, the people of Ngiri have assumed the position of chief warrior of our land. It shall be well with you, my son.
Who's in this house? Go ahead, Naba.
My princess, you came to my house. I hope all is well.
Yes, all is well. My name is Ifunanya. I'm not here as a princess. Where is your sister Chika? I'd like her to be my friend. That's why I'm here.
I will advise my sister to say no.
Why? Have I done anything wrong to you?
No, at all. But only if you will agree to be our friend.
It's all right. Accepted.
Emenike, Ichele's body was found hanging on a tree. Over land. Yes. Afumi Jimaya Munabofia.
If not,
Father,
your mind is not here. What happened?
Father, I remember the way you used to carry me around when I was a little girl. You are a good man. May the gods of our land heal you, protect you, and always be with you.
Thank you. Thank you. It shall be well with you, my daughter.
Ifedi.
Take me in.
Father, I could help.
My daughter.
Father, how was the night?
I thank the gods I'm alive today. If not, you need to go and sleep. You will awake out through the night.
Father, do not worry yourself about it. I'm not worried.
You are not alright. Go and sleep.
It's alright. Take care of yourself. Kim.
How? Ify, how did you manage to come out?
I stayed with Father all through the night, so they think I'm peacefully sleeping in my hut.
Oh, you risk your life to come and see me.
I'm left with no option. Sing for me. Please. I have missed you.
Hey, the gods are wise. You defeated me in a wrestling contest few market days ago. The news is everywhere and the shame is too much for me to bear. I am here to correct it. Now, drop the pot of water and wrestle me.
Okoye, I will not wrestle you. My brother warned me not to wrestle again.
Ta! Onyujo, concede defeat so that we can go home with your pot as our tradition demand.
Exactly.
Okoye, let us not do this.
You're wasting my time. Now drop your pot of water and wrestle me.
You had him. Buto Ozubo.
It's a lie. I slept. Now, wrestle me.
Yes.
Again.
Do not jubilate.
Okoye! The excuse you gave the first time my sister defeated you was you slept. Adam, why? Like you said earlier, the gods are wise. I was actually going hunting, and here.
Nagaina, let's go home. Okoye!
Chi, I'm going for Nagabala.
So big.
A balanki is your face. It was in cause an angiga, eh?
Oh. But you know, I didn't know you were watching.
If Nanya mo, Mwamje gole, Adu gole, Mwamje gole, love mo, Odala mam, Mweze o, Ibodi no bimo, Barame gumarama, Babarame gumarama, Barame gumarama, Makito mugomo.
My princess, you're here. Welcome.
Thank you. And you didn't
tell.
I'll kill you.
I'm so sorry. I wanted to surprise you.
Let me help you.
Thank you.
No. Let me now.
Stop. Let me now, my person. I'm a woman like you. I cook very well. Inugo.
Okay.
You can go and be doing other things. K4, Kifin and Nelmaya.
Give me K4. A jingaga. I said, what that? Me a telephone.
Bara megu marama, babara megu marama, bara megu marama. Ibodi no bimo. Egunji hogi nanya, egunji homu nanya.
Hey.
I told you I'm a very good cook.
Now I confirm it.
And you can tasan.
Nabolo.
What is it? What is it?
I feel someone is watching us.
Can you listen? You have to go back now.
Huh?
Yes. Just go back. I can go.
Are you going to be okay?
Yes, I'll be fine.
Okay.
I love you so much. I love you. It's alright, just go back. Go.
Hola, Ma. Where are you going to in such a haste?
My mother sent me on an errand.
Oh, I was actually coming to your place.
To my place?
Yes. We can run the errands together, then we'll go home and talk.
Chika, you see, this errand is very private. Yes, I have to go in, please.
Is there anything? We'll get there, you go inside, deliver your message. You come out and we'll go. Or must you deliver the message to my hearing?
I don't want to go again. Yes, I don't want to go. Let me just go back home.
It's clear you don't want me to go with you. You can go then. You can go. No problem, I'll talk to you later.
Chika.
No, again. Why are you following me around?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
And what are you thinking?
I know you and my brother are like this. So if there's any man lurking around the corner, I'll be...
Chika, my good friend, there's nothing like that. I'm serious.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. It is a semalam. I just want to be left alone, that's all. Nothing.
One, there's no problem. Let me go home. I'll come and see you in the house.
No problem. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself.
What? Are you sure of what you are saying?
Yes. I saw them.
If this is true, then Emenike will not like what my father will do to him.
Adanne, I'm very hungry. I think I overslept.
Yes, the food will soon be ready. Follow me. Olama, I hate it when people say what they are not sure of.
But I'm sure. I saw them.
Get out. Leave my presence now.
Uchenna, what are you doing here all alone? Father demands your presence immediately.
I want to be left alone.
You know the consequences if I tell father what you just told me.
I said I want to be left alone.
Your eyes are not scary. And you know I'm not scared of you one bit.
Adana, if you know what is good for you, you leave my presence immediately.
If you know what is good for you, you better follow me now.
Did you find him?
Yes, father, I did. But he said he wants to be left alone.
What?
Father, you sent for me.
God, Your Highness, leave us.
This is for keeping me waiting. Now listen. If this your recalcitrant attitude ever makes King Omega finds out that you are not in love with his daughter, or that this marriage is not from your heart, I swear, the story of what I will do to you, you will never live to tell it. Now disappear from my presence. I said get out of my presence this minute. Get out! Keep your eyes on him. You know he's stupid.
Yes, Father. Stop doing this to yourself. I know how you feel, but I want you to accept your fate just as I have accepted mine for the interest of this kingdom. For this marriage to work, you have to see beyond the matters of the heart. Please.
You want me to see beyond the matters of the heart? You want me to forget the only man that makes me happy? Do you even care about my happiness? Or you're just concerned about the throne?
What about me? My birthright was sold out to you. I am not complaining. I just want us to be happy. That is all I want.
I cannot be happy. There's no way. Be happy. But I can never be happy with this decision. Whatever you've chosen to do with your life is your decision. I'll marry the Prince of Amago, but I will never do that with my heart. Let me be. The throne is all that matters. Just let me be.
Father,
God, leave us. No, China, you cheat.
Shift, Uche. Adana,
Yes, Father.
please come and sit.
Thank you, Father.
Adana,
Yes, Father.
I have always desired that you were the man. Adana, you know tomorrow we will be leaving to Ngene Kingdom for the marriage ceremony. It is unfortunate that you are not going with us. I am leaving you to be in charge of this kingdom until I return. The next thing you do for me as soon as you leave here is to take your brother inside and teach him all that he needs to know.
Father, this is not right.
Oh, shut up, I'm still talking. Shut up.
This is not right, Father.
I said shut up. And as for you, all you need do is to listen to her. And if you like, disgrace me tomorrow as we go to Ngene Kingdom. And you will see the other side of me when we return.
Father, this is not right, Father.
Now leave my presence.
This is not right, Father. This is not right.
Please teach him all that he needs to know.
Yes.
Chika, leave me. I'm not in the mood now. It's okay. It's okay.
Greetings, Chief Priest.
Chief Priest, you did not go to the palace.
The last thing I will do is to witness sacrilege with my eyes. Iche Nwankwo and his family left this morning for his maternal home. But I will not leave my father's land. Imetalu, Bulu, Chika, go to Mboji. Pluck a follow leave for me, for I am having stomach upset.
Okay, Chief Priest.
Please do sit down.
The gods did not ask me to sit down.
Ghana Bueno. Zuan. Umono Azuno. If Nanyangwa.
Father.
Take this drink and show us who is your husband.
What is the meaning of this?
Calm down, Peter. Guards.
Guards, go and get her! Wait.
I saw the guys chasing you.
Take me to your brother.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here?
Emenike, please, I'm sorry. Forgive me if I've wronged you. Just that I don't know how to control what I feel inside for you.
Nkem!
Love more, odala mweze o, ibodi no be more. Barame gumarama, babarame gumarama, barame gumarama.
This is why I am here. Emenike, Ifunanya, may the gods protect you, bless you, and guide you all the days of your lives.
What do you mean a woman overpowered both of you?
We are sorry, Your Princess.
Leave my presence. Leave! Leave my presence! Olama, I know you are looking for Ifunanya. Yes. Did you see her? Olama, what happened to my sister?
She's in Emenike's house. The chief priest just pronounced their husband and wife.
What?
wants to run away from his shadow, from his God. Oh, no, son, no, no, sir. Oh, you take a
Funaya, what have you done? What have you done?
Is it true that you pronounce my daughter and Emenike husband and wife?
I did what the gods asked me to do.
Oh, shut up! Slap him again! What do you know about the gods? Slap him again! Idiot! Rubbish! Another one! Do you know about the gods?
Then, be prepared to call your God to defend you, because by this time tomorrow you shall be beheaded.
Let it be, if it is the wish of the gods.
Guys, take him away. Shut up, mouth.
Possessed by the spirit of the
Shut up!
Is there a way out?
My princess, the guards are everywhere. Okay.
We are trapped. Let us leave this kingdom. This way.
Okay. The consequence of our action is invasion. I beg of you, let's save Obina's life. Please.
It's risky.
Do not say no to me. Please. Please.
Okay. All right. Let's go. This way. That is the regalia and the sword. The strength of our forefathers and the protector of Ngene kingdom.
It shows the gods are with us.
Love more, Odala where's your
What do you mean? That you've not found them? Oh. Now, leave my presence.
What are you still doing there? What are you still doing there? And you, what are you doing? What are you doing there? Oh, idiots! They are all idiots! Idiots! Oh, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! They are fools! Fools! Oh, it's fools! Hey!
Maria, son. Huh? Igwe, The death of the chief priest will serve as a warning to all those who would want to soil our relationship with your people. Ifedi,
Your Majesty.
go and get the chief priest.
Yes, Majesty. Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I told you that the regalia your daughter wore in her dream and the sword in her hand are symbolic. Today, you will know that the gods of our land can never lie.
Ife, this man was supposed to be in detention. How come he is here with us?
Father, we spoke to the guards and we helped the chief priest escape out of the cage.
Ades, I do not understand you.
This man you call a friend is your worst enemy.
Ifunaya, what is the meaning of this?
Take us to where Obinna is now, or you die.
It's obvious Ifunaya is not in love with me. What are we still doing here? I suggest we leave this kingdom first thing tomorrow morning.
You never liked Ifunaya, and so do I. But I insisted on her knowing the fact that it is a sacrilege in their land. And she will have no choice other than to accept it, knowing that he is dying soon. And the death of the chief priest first thing tomorrow morning will further compound his problems with his people and the gods of their land. And we are going to strike. Oh yes, we will strike as soon as our elders that I sent back to our kingdom returns with our warriors. Yes. The first person to die is Obinna. And then I will personally strangle Omenka. I will strangle him to death. Yes. Oh, shut up. Father. I know you are a coward. But don't make me lose my patience this night. Don't. Now get inside.
Igweweka, go back to your people. Tell them that the gods of Ungene has risen to protect his people. Tell them that the sword is here. The blood of any warrior who wants to die shall not be on our heads or our children. Leave this land now. Leave.
There is a time for everything. A family got us, a boy got up with the time. Sun will shine. Ayasa ebeki baga abochipuru ijikwanya gia fem ebeki feja abochipuru ijikwanya gia.
Father,
you live in peace with your husband. May the gods protect you.
Your Majesty, lay your hand on the sword.
Your Majesty. This is wonderful.
Efunanya mo mwamje gole adu gole le mwamje gole love mo odala mam mweze o ibodi no bi mo Baramegu marama, babaramegu marama, baramegu marama, maketo mugomo.